Today, I'll show you how to create a Deepseek shortcut on your desktop, easily and quickly. First, open your Chrome browser. Search for Deepseek on Google. Click the link to open the Deepseek website. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to More Tools, then click Create Shortcut. Enter a name for your shortcut. Here we'll call it Deepseek. Then click Create. Now you'll see the Deepseek shortcut appear right on your desktop. Double-click it anytime to access Deepseek instantly. Thanks for watching.